We can take from here harness. Now we will open this one. You can see, dear friends. Now we can open. Now you can see here actually it's not much blockage. This is condenser. Also this one evaporator, but evaporator side only a little bit block dust. Anyway, we will remove, we will clean. After that we will restart the machine. We can check if it is work or not. Now we have to clean properly. After that we will check. Now what I'm going to do, I will give the direct current here. We have to check the compressor, because of that I'm giving direct power here. Now this is the door switch connection. That one also I will give. This one display panel. Also I have to give the connection, and I will start the machine. If it is working compressor, we can resolve the issue. We can immediately close our job. Panel. This is display PCB. I will give the connection here. I already given power connection to the display also. Now I will give the power and we will check. Also I am giving connection here, floating switch, otherwise error message will come. Because of that, no need to give connection to the drain pump. Now we will check. Here you can see, dear friends, here sensors. This one pipe sensor, actually this is heat. That's been discharge line. This is suction line. Also one pipe sensor here. That's been two pipe sensors are here. Now we will try to start. Now we will start the unit and we will check. Now whatever it is, towel already came. Self dry. Also cotton I'm selecting here. The machine. Now you can see here. Now machine already got start. You can see, dear friends, it is blower working, but compressor not start. Yes, dear friends. Now you know what happened. Now already you can see here. Compressor already got start. You can see here. This is the suction line. It is very cool. Also discharge line here. Also it's warming. You can see here, because this one not cover. Because of that it's warming ice. After cleaning it will be okay. You can see here ice. It's forming ice here because it's not covered. The circulations are not properly because of that. Now we have to clean properly. We have to clean properly. After that our problem will get resolved and we will clean. Now 100% we know this compressor is working, because this is digital inverter system compressor. Because of that we are not able to check separately. That's why I did like that. Now you can see. Now dear friends, we can disconnect here harness. After that we can remove this full set and we can wash, because too much dirt. This one already got blocked, that's why it's not getting hot. here pipe sensor. This one we can remove like that. Then just pull out, it will come here like that. It will come. Also the here also pipe sensor, and also here three pipe sensors are here. This is suction line. This is discharge line. Now we can remove this one. Also one thermistor here. That one also we can remove. We have to remove this one earth wire. Also terminal cup we have to remove. It will come like that. You can see here the connections. This one all out protect actually. That one also we have to keep one side. Now I have to disconnect here. All three. This is inverter. Actually 3-phase inverter compressor. Now also this is actually a heat exchanger. Otherwise this is a metering device. Otherwise we are telling expansion valve. Now remove the compressor mounting here. Three nuts we remove already. Now we can take it up like that. Now I will show you how to take it up from here to there. We can take together this one. It's like that we can take. It's very easy. You can see here. We have to clean properly this one. Very clean. After that our problem we can resolve. Now you can see here. Now we can clean properly with the water. It's like that we can take. Also here also we can clean. You can see here, dear friends, so many lints. Here everything we have to clean, otherwise it will get here compressor cooling fan also. After that we can resolve the issue. We will clean first this one. This cup also. We can take it up like that. You can see here. It's not much dirt, but anyway we have to clean properly. After that our problem will get resolved. Now we can clean properly here with the pressure water. Here, it's too much dirt actually. It's totally blocked. Too much block. Now I clean everywhere very nicely. Now I have to fix again. This will come like that. I have to fix all the screws also again. Now okay. Now after cleaning, I clean properly. This one you can see. Now it's very clean. No any dirt here. evaporator and both I cleaned properly. Now I have to reinstall. Now I'm going to fix this one after cleaning. This cover should be here. This will come like that. After that we can install this system, evaporator and condenser. It should come here. Yes, it is okay. The compressor mounting should be properly. Now it's okay, compressor mounting, everything perfectly. I fix. Here also this washer will come here. Yes, my dear, it's coming like that. Now it's okay. Now we can close this cup also. Now I will fix here terminal cup, everything. The overload protector, everything we have to fix. Yeah, this one should come here. I have to fix mounting nuts. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix here pipe sensors. Here one sensor. That one okay. Also now I will fix the terminal cup first. Also here, also pipe sensor here. That one also okay. 3 sensors. Now I have to fix terminal cup. Should come like that. We have to tie it properly. Yes, it is okay. Now perfect. Now it's okay. Now we have to give the motor connection. Otherwise, after fixing cover, we are not able to fix properly because of that. It will come motor connection like that. Now it's perfect. Now we have to close the cover. Cover will come like that. You can see this way. Here it will come this way. The harness careful we have to keep. Now it will come like that. You can see dear friends. Now it's perfect. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix all the screws. Also here we can keep down drain pump and floating switch harness. It will come like that. Harness should come here. Also here. This earth wire it will come to body. Now it's okay. Now I can fix all the screws. Now I fix already all the screws. Now I have to double check harness. Now I have to give this connection, also this connection, this one expansion valve, also harness will come here because we cannot keep other side, it will touch with the harness, it will come to down actually here, otherwise it will touch with the V belt. Now it's okay, now it will come like that. Very careful, this area harness should be the proper, otherwise it will touch with the belt. Because of that, careful, we have to do this. Now it's okay. Now again double check all the connections. 5 sensors,